For example, you have a computer and Facebook has its own computer. For you to be able to access Facebook, you need to be connected to Facebook's computer via the internet and access its files. If you want to open your news feed, your computer asks Facebook's computer to access it. Facebook gives you the files and your browser downloads and takes care of it. So any changes you make to that file will only be seen on your computer. When you refresh the tab, the files are re-downloaded. Let's take a look at this example. Here, I'm viewing a news article on a web page. Almost all of the things you see here on this web page can be edited. The headings, the images, the date, the author, and the content. Here is an example of how an image can be changed. First, we'd right-click on an image and find its location on the file. After that, I will look for an image on Google and copy its image address. Going back to the news article, I can once again right-click the image I want to change, and in its source, I can simply replace the URL with the URL from the image I found. Most websites do not have restrictions to locally change web page content. For example, YouTube. There are a lot of things one might want to change for his or her amusement, like the video title, number of likes and dislikes, number of views, video description, and even audience comments. There are some websites that have more restrictions, for example, Twitter. Although these web pages are local and will not affect others' view, it can be screenshot and posted somewhere else. This is because the downside to this method is, when you refresh the browser, it will revert back to its original content. When you refresh the browser, you make another request to download and view those files. In the video description, there are some links on tips on how to spot fake news. Thank you for watching.